does OMY mean and how do I use it online? OMY is an acronym that stands for Oh My Yoda or Oh My Yodeling, a playful variation of the more common phrase Oh My God, OMG. Yoda is a character from the Star Wars franchise, and this expression is a humorous way of expressing surprise or amazement. When using OMY online, you can treat it similarly to OMG in terms of context and usage. Here are some examples. 1. Expressing surprise asterisk, OMY, I can't believe he actually did that. OMY, that movie was incredible. 2. Reacting to something unexpected asterisk, OMY, I just found out I got the job. OMY, look at this adorable puppy. 3. General amazement asterisk, OMY, this place is amazing. OMY, I've never seen anything like this before. It's important to note that internet slang and acronyms can have various interpretations, and meanings may evolve over time. In the case of OMY, its specific meaning might depend on the context in which it is used. Always be aware of the tone and appropriateness of the acronym based on the conversation or platform you are using.